So friends, this is our second chapter of Geotech, that is classification of soil. So from this chapter our first question is this one. The graph is given between liquid limit and plasticity index, and the question is the area marked X represents what? This area X marked here, and what is this X? So options are here: silt of low plasticity, clay of high plasticity, organic soil of medium plasticity, clay of intermediate plasticity. As we know that up to 35% liquid limit, less than 35% liquid limit, our soil is low compressible. Soil is low compressible, and 35 to 50%, this is medium compressible, and greater than 50%, this will be our highly compressible. And highly compressible means high plasticity, this one is medium plasticity, and this one is low plasticity. So, and above A line our soil is clay, and below A line soil is our silt or organic soil. So above A line the area is given. Above A line means that is clay, and the area is between 35 to 50, and above the 35, that means that will be medium compressible or medium plasticity. So medium plasticity means this one, intermediate plasticity. So option is D. Next question. A soil has liquid limit of 45% and lies above the A line when plotted on a plasticity chart. The group symbol of the soil as per IS soil classification is what? So our liquid limit is given in question. See, liquid limit WL is given 45% and lies above the A line. Above the A line our this is clay part. So liquid limit is 45% given. So 45 means that is in between 35 to 50%. So this will be intermediate. So option will be intermediate clay, that is B, answer B. Next question. A well graded sand should have, which one is the correct option? Uniformity coefficient greater than 6. well graded sand पूछा है क्वेश्चन में. So sand uniformity coefficient greater than 6, that is correct. Then coefficient curvature between 1 and 3, well graded पूछा है, तो 1 between 1 and 3, this is correct. Effective size greater than 1 mm, so we can't say that effective size should be 1 mm, so this is not correct. So answer will be 1 and 2. Next question. Match list 1 and list 2. Clay gravel represented by what? Clay gravel, that is GC. Next, clay sand, this one is SM, M for silt and S for sand. Clay sand, this one is SM. Next, clay sand, this one is SC, C for clay and S for sand, clay sand. Then organic clay, this one OH, organic clay. Then silty sand, SM, M for silt and S for sand, silty sand, the city SM. Next question. Coefficient of curvature given 1.4, D30 3 mm, D10 0.6 mm. Based on this information of particle size distribution for use as subgrade, this soil will be taken to be what? इस ऑप्शन में से चूज करना है कि कौन सी ये सॉइल जो है कौन सी टाइप का सॉइल है. तो इसके लिए हम लोग को पहले निकालना पड़ेगा CU and CC. तो CU is given, CU its formula is D60 divided by D10, and D10 is given but D60 is not given, but CC is given. CC value is given, but CC formula is D30 square divided by D60 into D10. So CC, that is equals to 1.4, and D30 square means 3 square divided by D60 into D10 is our 0.6. So we calculate D60 value is 10.71. So put it here, CU equals to D60 in value 10.71 divided by D10 value 0.6. So we got that Cu value is 17.85. So we know that if Cu value coefficient of uniformity, that is in between 1 and coefficient of uniformity, that is Cu value is greater than 4, then that will be gravel, and if Cu value is greater than 6, then that will be sand. So this one is greater than 6, so it will be sand. Next, Cc value if lies between 1 and 3, then that will be well graded soil. Well graded. So our Cc value is given 1.4, so this will be well graded sand. Here it is option given, well graded sand, option B. Here is the next question. In a soil specimen, 70% of particles are passing through 4.75 mm IS sieve and 40% of particles are passing through 75 micron IS sieve. Its uniformity coefficient is 8 and coefficient of curvature is 2. As per IS classification, this soil is classified as what? So we can see that 70% of particles are passing through 4.75 mm. So this will be fine grade soil, and 40% of particles are passing through 75 micron. That means for clay percentage is 40% that are passing. So sand percentage will be our 30%. Okay, next it is its uniformity coefficient is 8. Given that uniformity coefficient 8 and coefficient of curvature is 2, so we can say that here coefficient of uniformity is, if greater than 6, then that will be sand, and our coefficient of uniformity given 8, so this will be our sand. And coefficient of curvature is 2, so coefficient of curvature if lies between 1 and 3, then that will be well graded. So this is our 2 given, so this will be well graded sand. Next question, the correct sequence of plasticity of minerals in soil in an increasing order. Increasing order में लिखना है plasticity according to the plasticity of minerals. So here silica is given. Silica का plasticity सबसे कम है, I mean 0 है silica, तो that will be our first order. Then kaolinite है, kaolinite right है, then elite, then molinonite. ये sequence सही है. First question answer is सही. Next question.